In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of removing known passwords from Office documents using the Bitrecover Password Remover Wizard. To install our Password Remover Wizard, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the folder icon. Select a password-protected file to remove the password. Source path will show the location of the selected document. Enter the document password in the password field to start the removal process. Click to Show Password option displays the entered password when selected. Destination path shows the location where the unlocked file will be saved. Next, click the Remove button, and you'll receive a notification indicating that you have successfully removed the file password. Click OK to open the destination folder to access the unlocked file. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.